What's up, guys? It's Will from Not an Expert again. In this video, we're going to do some more holiday-themed 3D printing. And we're going to hop on Thingiverse and browse and just pick some things out and then go ahead and print them just to give you more of a rundown and to show you guys really how easy it is to 3D print something. Last week, the video was really in-depth on one thing that I printed, so it's kind of tough, you know, to slog through. It was like 20 minutes of me explaining how to take something from Thingiverse. So now that you guys know how to, let's go ahead and jump into the process of just picking out a bunch of things and going with that. So let's jump into it. I did want to do a deer, so I'm gonna save that one. That would be sweet, but it's laser cut stuff. A chess set would be nice if I had an SLA printer. I kind of want to do something like this. 2014 though. Yeah, let's do that. Some of these presents I can like set around the TV stand and stuff like that. So. See, this is part of the process, is looking up things that would be quick and easy to print, something that's not going to need a lot of supports. Oh, cookie cutters. That's a great idea. Okay, let's add that. That's like one of the most obvious things now that I'm thinking about it. It's just like they're all made of plastic and it's so easy to cut. I mean to print. Earring. Those would be like at parties, kind of like the little spider rings you used to get in the cupcakes. You used to eat the frosting off it, you know. Oh, that is cool. Does this print out an all-in-one piece? No, but it's still sweet. And they use like clear. And that would be a real quick print. All right, I'm gonna do that one too. But it's still not quite what I was looking for. Okay. Sorry, I got lost in looking at all that stuff. All right, so one more thing. This is for Emily. Don't tell her. This is pretty cool. I could scale this up and looks like they had some problems printing up there, but we'll do that anyway. All right, so far we have the Deathly Hallows, a 3D version of it, which I think is actually sick looking. We have a TIE Fighter, and this is for Emily. We have the TIE Fighter ornament. We have a stag, which is gonna be really cool. Hopefully. These ornaments, which I probably won't end up changing the filament in the middle of it because I just don't have the time, you know, to sit and wait and watch it. Maybe towards the end. And then of course some cookie cutters, and I can give those to friends and family when I'm done. So awesome. All right, well, all right, so next time you guys see me, I should have most of these ornaments sitting right in front of me, and I'll be able to show you how the prints turned out. So see you in a bit. Guys, I'm back and the 3D prints are done. So what we have completed and what we finished was first the cookie cutter. Here's that. It's a little angry glory. And then the second one was the Christmas bell, which, as you can see, has a lot of the stringing inside of there. And it also didn't print the top very well. It broke right off of it. You guys can see that. I don't know if it's glaring here. But the top broke off. So it's not much of an ornament. It's more just of a decorative piece. Almost looks like a flower if you hold it upside down. And then the third thing was the little Christmas gift ornament, which actually didn't turn out that bad. Lots of stringing at the top, which I'll get into that in a second. And right here, for some reason on the front of the print, it didn't turn out very well. It has that lots of stringing. I believe that's because of travel or something. But that little hole it made, pretty decent. That you can put a string through and tie it up and hang up. But my favorite one, the favorite print of the past couple of days, has definitely been the TIE Fighter, and that's not because I'm obsessed with Star Wars. That's because it actually turned out really well, and I believe it's because I printed using PETG and not the silk PLA that I've been trying to use for everything else. So it needs a little bit of cleanup, but oh, that is really glaring. There we go. That's it. The holiday Christmas deer I tried to print, but it did not turn out well. I tried printing it with the silk, this shiny material, and it couldn't stick to the bed. It was for some reason it wasn't printing a skirt around where the feet are of the deer, so it wasn't sticking to anything. But I'll show you guys here just to remind you what I had. So this was the little gingerbread guy, cookie cutter, turned out really well. Christmas ornaments collection. And here, let me credit these guys before I go too far. The gingerbread cookie cutter was by Oogie Me on Thingiverse. The presents and the bell, which would have printed out great had I got the settings right or used the correct material. I love this little present thing, by the way. Minus the stringing and the bell here. Turned out relatively good. That's by Bracket 27. 2014 Ornaments Collection number 2. This was posted in 2014, so give her some credit because these things are really cute. She put them on the tree. They do look awesome if you can get those settings right. And then the last one, like I said, was the TIE Fighter, which I actually printed in the white or the clear PETG, and this is my favorite print of the past week or two. It really turned out well, and I think it's because I went back to trying to tackle the PETG. I used the Elmer's glue stick, which was a suggestion by Mitch a couple months ago when I had problems with it printing the wingman, but it turned out awesome. As you can see, I scaled it up a little bit so it's a little bit bigger than it's supposed to be, but these are going to be awesome gifts for someone who is decorating for Christmas and loves Star Wars. So it's very easy to print. It only took I think it was 7 hours. During these prints, sometimes I'll go over to my printer and slow down the speed to make it a little higher quality while it's running. Sometimes that really does the trick. But let's go back here. But yeah, so that's about it. And by the way, that TIE Fighter ornament was made by Edabot, so EDABOT on Thingiverse, and he did a great job making this little ornament, and it's something that you can print quick And like I said, it's a great little gift for friends and family that are into Star Wars. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a lot quicker than last week's, and hopefully it still gave you guys a little bit more content and some more gift ideas for the holidays if you have a 3D printer. So enjoy the holidays, guys. Be safe, and thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe again, and share the videos as much as you can. This is Will from Not an Expert. Have a happy holidays.